Okay, so last day we solved up to question number 4 from the exercise 4.1. Today we'll start from question number 5. Now, look, remind one thing, what we have done in question number 4. In question number 4, few mathematical statements were given, and from there we set up the mathematical equation from that mathematical statement. Here in question number 5, what we have to do, actually it is just opposite of what we have done in question number 4. Here few mathematical statements were given, we have to find the mathematical equation. We have to say mathematical statement. Clear? Okay. So let's start from the first question. P plus 4 is equal to 15. P plus 4 is equal to 15. We have to set up the mathematical statement. So look, what is this? This is the sum of P and the number 4, which is equal to 15. So if I write this mathematical equation into mathematical statement, then we can write the sum of P and 4 is 15. The sum of P and 4 is 15, isn't it? And now the second question. A minus 7 is equal to 3. So this is the mathematical equation. Okay, now set up a mathematical statement from here. Set up a mathematical statement from here. A minus 7 is equal to 3. So quickly set a sum of, not sum, actually a minus sign is here. I am waiting for the answer. Difference, I think don't use the word different. Difference. Difference of m and 7 may be m minus 7 or 7 minus m. Okay. M subtracted from 7, no, m subtracted from 7 means 7 minus m. M subtracted from 7 is 7 minus m, but it is m minus 7 is given here. So okay, look, this is a minus 7 is equal to 2. So we can write 7 subtracted from m is 2. 7, yes, Tanisha, correct. Shoshanko, m subtracted from 7, not m subtracted from 7. M subtracted from 7 means 7 minus m, but it is m minus 7. Understood, Shoshanko? Yeah, 7 subtracted from m is 3. Yes, very good. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is 2m is equal to 7. 2m is equal to 7. Now set up a mathematical statement. Quick. Yes, 2 multiplied by m result is 7. Yes, Suman goes, you can write. Twice of m is 7. Yes, this is the simplest form. 2m 2 times of aim is 7 or twice of aim is 7. Sir, pass me the mouse please. 2 aim twice of aim is equal to 7. Okay. Okay, Hasibul, you are correct also. Twice of aim is equal to 7. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is aim by 5 equal to aim by 5 is equal to 3. Aim by now solve this. Set of a mathematical statement from the equation aim by 5 is equal to 3. Aim divided by 5 is equal to 3. Yes, correct. Aim divided by 5 is the result is 3. Yes, correct. Aim divided by 5 is 3. Aim divided by 5, the result is 3. Yes, correct. Hasibul, Tanisha, yes, correct. Yes, correct statement. Aim divided by 5 is 3. Or you can write in another way that 1/5 of aim is equal to 3. Whatever you have written, aim divided by 5 is 3 is correct. It has another process, another procedure you can express it. 1/5 of aim is equal to 3. And this is also you can write. Now question number 5. 3m by 5 is equal to 6. 3m by 5 is equal to 6. Yes, Sayanti, correct. Not 4th, Tanisha, 3 by 5 is given. Tanisha, look at the question. It is 3 by 5 into m. 3m by 5, not 3m by 4. Just correct your answer once. Okay, no problem, Tanisha. So that will be 3 by 5 of aim is equal to 6. You can write 3m by 5 3 times 3 by 5 times of aim is equal to 6. 3 multiplied by aim and divided by 5, the result is 6. Yes, someone goes, you can write. Sir, can we say the maths syllabus for your coming exam? The first 2 chapter will be in your syllabus. From first 2 chapter means I think integers and fraction decimal, first 2 chapters. Now question number 6. 3p plus 4 equal to 3p plus 4 is equal to 25. 3p plus 4 is equal to 20. Yes, term 1. Term 1. 3p plus 4 is a sum of 3 times of p and 4 is 25. Correct, Shashanko? 3 times of p plus 4 is 25. Piyush, Pritush, you are also correct. Three times of p plus 4 is 25. Yes, 3 times of p plus 4 is 25. Is that correct? Now the 7. 4p minus 2 equal to 18. 4p minus 2 is equal to 18. Yes, 2 subtracted from 4p is 18. Yes, correct. 2 subtracted from 4 times of p, right? 4 times of p. 2 subtracted from 4 times of p. Harshipul and Antik, right? 2 subtracted from 4 times of p is 18. Uh, 4 times of p minus 2 equal to 18. Yes, Tanisha, correct. 4 times of p minus 2 is 18. Again, then last question. P by 2 plus 2 equal to 8. P by 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. P divided by 2 and add 2 is 8. Yes, I think correct. P divided by 2 and add 2 is 8. P divide 2 plus 2 is 8. Yes, Tanisha, correct. Okay, so this part is now completed. Now let's move to question number 6. Set up the equation from the following cases. There are 4 cases, 4 problems are given. We have to set up only the equation from the condition given in the problem. Okay, so just have a look on the question. The first question says that Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Parmit has. Irfan has 37 marble. Take M to be the number of marble Parmit have. Okay. So let us consider, let number of marble Parmit has is M. Let us consider the number of Parmits have is equal to M. Therefore, number of marble Irfan has is, now look, Irfan has, what Irfan saying, that he has 7 more marble than 5 times of Parmit. So as Parmit have M number, so Irfan has 5 times of M plus 7. 5 times of M plus 7. That means 5M plus 7 marble. But look at your problem. In your problem it is given that Irfan has 37 marble. So according to problem, this term will be equal to 37. So ATP. ATP is the abbreviation form of according to problem. According to problem. So according to problem, this 5M plus 7 must be equal to 37. So 5M plus 7 is equal to 37 is the equation. Is the required equation. And now tell me, do you have any problem? No, with Hasibul, the first question is not correct. Why it is 6M plus 7? It is given that he has 7 more marble, then 5 times of the marble that Parmit has. So why M plus 5M plus 7? Turn off your mic, please. Okay, so the equation is 5M plus 7 equal to 37. Now, have you understood, or if you have any problem? No. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 is Lakshmi's father is 49-year-old. He is 4 years older than 3 times of Lakshmi's age. He is 4 years older than what? 3 times of Lakshmi's age. Take Lakshmi's age to be y year. Okay, so let us consider, let Lakshmi's age equal to y year. Okay, so what is his father age? Therefore, her father's age. What will be her father age? To know that question, come to the problem. He is 4 years older than 3 times of Lakshmi's age. That means her father's age will be 3 times of Lakshmi's age and plus 4. 4 years older, 4 years more than 3 times of Lakshmi's age. 3 times of Lakshmi's age is 3y and increase it by 4. So 3y plus 4. So according to problem, this term 3y plus 4 will be equal to 49, because it is given that the Lakshmi's father age is 49 years. So 3y plus 4 is equal to 49 and solve. Okay, did you understand, students? Shuman Ghosh PT1 exam date is not yet been selected, so you just look at our school website, just follow it, follow our school website. Now question number 3. Question number 3. The teacher tells that the highest marks obtained by the students in her class is twice as the lowest marks plus 7. Means the highest marks the person get, the highest marks is twice the lowest marks plus 7. If I consider the lowest marks as L, let the lowest marks is equal to L. Therefore, the highest marks is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So twice the lowest mark plus 7. Now according to problem, twice the lowest marks plus 7 means will be equal to 87, is equal to 87. Twice the lowest marks plus 7 is equal to highest marks, and in your problem it is given the highest marks is 87. So it is twice L plus 7 equal to 87. Clear? Okay, now there are 3 questions. We have solved 3 questions. Okay, so do one thing. I am leaving question number 4 for you. You just try to solve the question. If you can't solve it, then in my next class you just inform me, I will solve it. Clear? Otherwise, we will move to the next exercise, that is 4.2, and we will learn how to solve a linear equation. Okay, students? Okay, sir. So, Ashibul, your the picture you have sent is too hazy. I can't read your what you have written. Okay, so see you next day. Bye then.